Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. My name's Chris. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I am bummed. So the Colts lost, so we are out for the season, and it snowed here in Indy quite a bit, so I'm kind of stuck in the house. So being a little bummed out, I thought, what's going to cheer me up? Actually, you know what's going to cheer me up? Announcing a new giveaway. It is that time again. When I planned the channel out, I, really wanted to do giveaways so that way I could share things that I like and, exciting new releases, stuff like that. So time again. So one of the subscribers actually picked this out to be a giveaway. So I am giving away 5 of this benefit collection here. Ta-da! So you get a full-size highbrow, a full-size professional primer. You guys know I love that. A full-size Bad Gal Bang mascara, and a travel size of Go-Go tint. You get 3 full-size products and a smaller size product. It is an $89 value. I will be giving away 5 of these. Actually, technically, I'll be giving away 6 of them because the member of the community who not only pointed this out as a suggestion for a giveaway, but actually took screenshots to send to me, said, hey, here, this is a great thing. I am automatically going to send one to her because she did all that, way to go. Thank you for helping me out. I'm going to send one just as an automatic thank you. So all you guys have to do to win these is be a member of the makeup community, which means you're subscribed to the channel, and comment down below the best way to get a hold of you. That's all you have to do. One thing that I am going to say though is I am not going to be able to send it in this cute little tin here. I would love to send them in the cute little tin, but that is going to be the difference between spending like $130 if I send them in the tin or under $50 if I take the products out and not send them in the tin. So I'm really sorry. I just want to be upfront about that. If you guys are looking for the tin and you wanted, the tin as part of it, I'm super sorry. But like I said, I mean, that's pretty huge, financial difference there. So anyway, just make sure that you are a member of the makeup community, which means you are subscribed. I am going to have this open for 2 weeks. So that means I am going to draw on the evening of the 27th of January, and I will announce the winners in a video on the 28th of January. So here we go. So cute. All right, guys, and that's just to share products that I love. I love Benefit. I use a lot of their products with you, and also to make it more of a community thing instead of just subscribers, because I really want it to be a community. All right, guys, well, that is it. Good luck to everybody, and I will talk to you in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.